Pastor, Pastor, put the name, ha? At the back. Put the name. Ito. $5. Ang isa atin, isa ikaw. $5 only ticket. Would you mind to sell?
Kung bisita yan, wala kang bag ng bisita.
Magagawa ko. Yun, Pastor. Yun. Tandaan mo, ang isang copy, kuwan, ha? Ang isang copy sa...
Marami doon bumibili.
Ang isang copy ay sa atin.
Isang kape sa...
Tandaan mo. Isang copy sa atin, isang babunutin. Ibabalik mo sa akin yung copy. Just for $5, come on! $5. Yan o. Okay. Okay, this is what's going to happen, okay? Oh. Guys, to those of you who bought the tickets, okay, if you belong to whichever church you belong, you have to come up here. Put your ticket here, the other ticket. Ticket sellers, come on. Give the 2 tickets to them, the 2 copies. And they'll be the one to put their names there, their ticket there, here. Dito. To those who bought the ticket from Inspire Church, here's your bag. Put your other ticket here. From Victoria, those who bought the ticket from Victoria, put the other half of the ticket here. From Victoria. Okay. Only cash, no Interact, no credit card. Victoria Church. Victoria Church. May rapol, tatamaan ay bigas, relo, lakoswas, por lalaki, babae.
I need a representative from Kilo.
Kilo na lang. Anyone from Kelowna who could be a part of our judging panel tonight? Anyone from Kelowna who could volunteer to be from Kelowna? Anybody from Kelowna?
Si Pastor Lumakang. May
Kailangan katukin eh.
Ano yan? Victoria.
si Pastor Lumakang.
Okay, anyway, we're waiting for Pastor Lumakang. Victoria,
Okay,
the other
good.
half here, Victoria.
Okay, everybody please settle down. We only have a minute to start.
Ibigay niyo
Everybody settle down. Alam ko, house and lot yung mapapanalunan, kaya huwag kayong masyadong excited.
Just give me the other half.
Sa halagang $5 ha, house and lot. Okay. All right, we're about to start.
We will sing the movie Get Together.
Yeah. And then,
I will play guitar.
Pinapractice ko kanina, hindi mo nakakanta yan.
Hindi na dahil. Ano yung panahon?
Ano sabi ni Pastor Chody, nakakanta pa daw kayo?
Hawakan mo ng pera. Hawakan mo ng pera.
Sila Carlo. Kakanta pa raw sila Carlo eh. May special number pa sila Carlo. Okay, let's... Yung dalawang kapatid.
Come on, $5 only for La Coswas. Come on. $5 only.
100 ng diamante niya mga kapatid ha. There's 100 diamonds in there.
Yeah. I'm going to tell you the mechanics of this raffle draw.
Rare
Okay?
edition, limited edition, lahat ng edition
Yeah.
in this watch.
Yeah. Okay.
For $5 only. Ha? All sorts of edition.
Okay. If you will notice, there are several
Kelowna?
white bags here.
Okay. Does anybody here come from Kelowna and the Okanagan Valley? Ay, taga-agape naman eh. Ay, Inspire. Converted? Who else? It's, aside from Shine and her family, who else are from the Okanagan? We need judges. We're supposed to have Pastor Lumakang and his wife, but they're resting right now. But we cannot get judges from the churches because we don't want it to be biased. All right? Pilipinas? Sino galing sa Pilipinas? Ay, pero saan kayo nagsisimba?
Nagunit eh. Ay, trabaho pala yan.
Saan ilalagay yan? Separate.
From Okanagan? Okay.
Victoria, ito Victoria.
From Kelowna? Remy Cabanada? Remy Cabanada. Ate, we need you as judge. Remy, Ate Remy. Uy, ready na yung Bernabe, oh. Asa kayong Victoria? Wala pa.
May ano ba?
Biblia ka?
Listahan ng contest.
Kayo ay number 3. Agape, number 3. Okay. Guys, okay. We have white bag here with the name of the church, Abundant Life. So what's going to happen is this. For consolation prizes, for sure there will be somebody who will win from a certain church. Okay? So we will pick one from each bag. So for sure there are winners from different churches. Okay? Now, when we go to the last 4 prizes, the major prizes, we will put together all those in the white envelopes and put it in one bag together, so everyone now has a chance to grab the 4 prizes, the major prizes. Okay, that's the big. Now, I've noticed that Inspire Church has no ticket in their bag. If no one buys from Inspire Church, then bumili ka. If you buy 1 ticket, for sure you get a consolation prize already.
I don't have ticket.
Ang dami, you know.
Ito. Sa kanya, kay Pastor.
Ang daming na. Hawakan niyo pa yung pagpipili pa dyan. Nakailan tayo? Nakarami rin, ano?
Madami ito.
Oo, kita mo.
Okay, start na tayo.
Ay, start na tayo. Sabihin mo.
Aaron, where's Aaron?
Sino?
Okay. Calling the attention of Aaron Sabado. Aaron Sabado, where are you? Wala? Ay, umuwi sa Pilipinas eh. Ah?
Sabi?
Aaron Sabi. Sami. Oh, nag-inom. Okay, we're gonna get him as judge. We're gonna get him as a judge. So our new teacher for Fraser Valley Academy, all the way from London. Yeah, he's a brilliant math teacher. An asset, brand new addition to the faculty and staff of Fraser Valley. So he's gonna be one of the judges. Sino pa? Si ate ano, hindi na? No?
Sorry na. Alphabetical. Yes.
Sino nga po pala yung pastor galing Pilipinas? Kanina, in-announce. Ha? Pastor Barkulan? Pastor Barkulan, judge namin kayo. Nasaan si Pastor? O, Pastor, dito kayo, Pastor. Kayo mag-judge.
Tigisa. Dati ang plano ko ay isa lang ang tatama. Ay, nagbago isip ko. Dapat dalawa.
Sino pa?
Okay, let's start now. Pastor Arias. Magpaawit na. Paawit na tayo.
Okay. Okay yan, chill.
All right, we're gonna start. We're gonna ask the presence of Pastor Benji Arias to lead out in our Singspiration.
Guys, we're going to sing our first song before we begin our social night. Let's sing The More We Get Together. The more we get together. Ready? Sing. The more we get together, together, together. The more we get together, the happier are we. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier are. Once more. The more we get together, together, together. The more we get together, the happier are we. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier are we. Once more. One more. Another song. Do you know, have you got a sunshine smile? Do you know the song? Have you got a sunshine smile? Okay. The first one is, have you got a sunshine smile? And then the second verse is, we need to spell the smile. Okay? While we are singing, you have to smile. Okay? The first verse is like this. Have you got a sunshine smile? 3 times. Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine smile? Whatever you may be, whoever you may see, have you got a sunshine smile? Okay? Let's sing together. Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine smile? Whatever you may be, whatever you may be, whoever you may see, whoever you may say, have you got a sunshine smile? Repeat once more. Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine smile? Whatever you may be, whatever you may be, whoever you may see, have you got a sunshine smile? Second verse is, we need to spell the smile. Have you got a sunshine? S-M-I-L-E. Okay? Ready? Have you got a sunshine? Have you got a sunshine? Whatever you may be, whoever you may see, have you got a sunshine? Okay, the third verse. You need to whistle, okay?
Ang narrator.
Have you got a sunshine? Okay, ready? Ready? Sing. Have you got a sunshine? Have you got a sunshine? Whatever you may be, whoever you may see, have you got a sunshine? Okay, let's repeat. Have you got a sunshine smile? Ready? Sing. Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine smile? Whatever you may be, whoever you may see, have you got a sunshine smile? Ladies, spell. Have you got a sunshine? Ladies, have you got a sunshine? Whatever you may be, whoever you may see, have you got a sunshine? Gentlemen, have you whistle and shine? Gentlemen, have you got a sunshine? Whatever you may be, whoever you may see, have you got a sunshine? Ladies, whistle. Have you got a sunshine? Ladies, have you got a sunshine? Whatever you may be, whoever you may see, have you got a sunshine? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Let's ask the Holy Spirit to abide us as we are doing our talents presentation tonight and have a social gathering. Let's have a word of prayer. Father in heaven, we come unto you. Tonight, we are so grateful that we gathered here together with our fellow believers from different churches. We thank you so much, dear God, for giving them a gift of music, different kinds of skills and talents that you have given to them. Father God, we entrusted everything to you, our social gatherings. May it be that we will all be blessed, we will be joyful, celebrate the goodness of God to each one of us, as different churches will present their talent tonight. May we enjoy together, and we worship you, Lord, for the glory of your name. And let the church say, amen and amen. Thank you, and enjoy our social gathering.
Okay, let's kick off our social nights by giving away 2 consolation prizes. Ano? After I finish that. Okay, the first 2 consolation prizes, this is in alphabetical order of the churches, is coming from Agape and Abundant Life. So, Agape, let's do it. Ay, could someone, could you do the honor of picking the ticket, please? Okay, Agape, those ticket holders, this one, ending in 352. 352. 352. Ay, i-reveal ko na nga. Hermes Babatid.
What's Bob?
Hermes Babatid.
You will say, ice cream, can I buy an ice cream? Okay?
Ay, isa pa. Another consolation prize from Abundant Life. Parang swerteng inspired. Dadalawang ticket. Sigurado yung bilhin mo may consolation prize na kayo. Dadalawang bubunutin dun eh. Okay, from Abundant Life. Get ready with your ticket number ending in 143. 143. Abundant Life? Abundant Life, 143. Ayun. Si Brother Herschel. Oh.
already with the ticket, right? Hindi nyo dala?
Ay, ito'y Arizala sa aking number. Arizala.
Check your number sa Bernabe. Dali.
Just to, okay, that's all for now. Ay, isa pa. Ah, sige, isa pa. Okay. Burnaby. Ay, thank you sa Burnaby. Sila ang pinakamaraming nabentang ticket. Burnaby Chairs, here. Ay, yung ibang bubunot. Would you mind to pick one, please? From Burnaby Chairs, someone will win a house and lot, okay? Ticket with 326. 326. The last 3 digits.
Wait a moment.
Bidal. Bidal.
Oh, yeah.
Are you
I will
getting-
get, she's not here, but I will get the price.
Okay, that's it for now. Guys, we still have tickets to sell. Come on, buy tickets, $5.
Hold this, Bob. This
Okay.
Gina.
All right. I guess all of you already know that this year our association have started something that we have never done before, and that is to have our very first, our inaugural sports fellowship games. First time po yan, mga kapatid. And lahat po tayo nag-enjoy, di ba? We enjoyed meron po, we have ups and downs, but we pulled through. I would like to acknowledge every team that have joined. Anybody from Bernabe North Shore? Palakpakan, Bernabe North Shore. All right, Fraser Valley, Abundant Life. Agape Inspire Ministries. Suri Filipino. Vancouver Filipino. And this team, last but not the least, I would like to especially acknowledge our brethren from Victoria. You know, it's not easy to always ride the ferry here in the Lower Mainland para lang makapaglaro, mga kapatid. So we really are grateful that you have joined Victoria Church. Thank you very much. It has been a long season. It's been 7 months. And expensive too. So we thank you guys. And now we've come to the point that we have our winners, and now we're gonna do the awarding. Well, let's start with our volleyball tournament. For the runner-up, let's give a round of applause to Bernabe North Shore. Mr. President, please give the trophy. Nasaan yung team captain? Bernabe, everybody, Bernabe.
The whole team must come here for picture taking. Come
The
on.
whole team, for picture
This will be the
taking.
province newspaper tomorrow.
Bernabe North Shore. Wala, kayo lang ang player. Wala nang ibang player. Nasaan yung mga player ninyo? Picture. This is for the volleyball runner-up. Volleyball runner-up. Yeah. Okay, mga kamay, palakpakan sa Bernabe. Alright, for our volleyball grand champion, please give the round of applause to Agape Inspire. Okay, Agape Inspire, come up front. Yan po, yan dalawa. Asa na? Yung mga player ng Agape. Akyat kayo dito, akyat. Okay, Bono, si ate.
Ay,
Kayo lang, 4 ang player. Sample daw ng spike. Okay, picture sa harapan. Asan ang camera ninyo? Wala magpipicture.
ala? Ay, gusto...
Sandali, asan na yung
Bakit
cellphone?
walang picture? Gusto nilang magpa-Kodak. Come on.
Oh, sandali. Okay, Agape Inspire for our champion. Palakpakan, mga kapatid. Palakpakan. Oh, ito pa. Isa pa.
Ay, nako. At sandali. Kuko ko sa aking...
Sa kabila, pastor. This one, pastor. Alright, basketball. For our basketball runner-up, all the way from Bernabe Inspire. Palakpakan, saan na yung mga player? Bernabe again, Bernabe Inspire. Pastor, Burnaby North Shore. Burnaby North Shore. Ang mga player, Burnaby. Burnaby North Shore. Burnaby. 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 Okay. Okay. For the basketball grand champion, mga kapatid, palakpakan, Vancouver, Filipino! Pasa na, players! Vancouver, Filipino! Asan na yung Muse? Asan na yung star player? Si Joben. Joben. Mga kapatid, just so you know, this man right here produced 30 points a game. Palakpakan mga kapatid, palakpakan po sa ating champion, Vancouver, Filipino.
Salamat.
Good job, Vancouver. Okay. All right. Okay. Before I sit down, we're gonna have the another tournament next season, but we're gonna make it better, and we're gonna make it more fun for everybody. All right, John, not first John. We'll start now with our cultural presentation. Okay, would like to introduce our judges first. Mga kapatid, palakpakan tayo ha. Palakpakan tayo. Our first judge. Please introduce yourself, sir.
Pastor David.
Pastor David! And of course, our guest of honor, our very own Filipino, Pastor Lumaka! All right! Our next judge, saan po kayo galing ate?
From Central Luzon Conference, Manila.
Okay, ang pangalan po, what's your name po?
I'm Sister Gina Falculan.
Gina Falculan from CLC! And Pastor?
Pastor Ricky from CLC.
Pastor Ricky from CLC. Thank you, judges. All right. We have our order for our first performer for tonight. Let's welcome the Burnaby Filipino Church. Round of applause, everybody.
Formation first, and then I will speak.
Good evening. Our presentation tonight will feature the sorbetero or the ice cream man. So the vendor, the ice cream man is the vendor usually, the sorbetero in the Philippines refers to the street vendor. This is the traditional street vendor who sells ice cream, locally known as sorbetes. So the vendor usually rings a bell to signal his presence in the neighborhood, attracting kids and even the adults come running to buy the ice cream. So the term sorbetero is derived from the Filipino word sorbetes, which means ice cream. So this known figure has been part of the Filipino culture over the decades, providing fresh and refreshing treat to all Filipinos of all ages. Now, it's summertime in the Philippines. It's extremely hot. We want to eat an ice cream, but where is the sorbetero? I don't see the sorbetero. Where is he? Oh, there he's coming. Can we buy an ice cream? Ice cream. Can we buy an ice cream? Thank you. Okay, exit.
Mamang sorbetero, anong ngalan mo? Tinda mong ice cream, gustong-gusto ko. Init ng buhay, pinapawi mo. Sama ng loob, nalilimutan ko. Mamang sorbetero, tayo'y sumayaw. Kalembang mong hawak, muling ikaw ay batang muntik, sa'yo'y naghihintay. Bigyang ligaya, ngayong tag-araw. Basta ng ulap sa himpapawid. Korteng sorbete sa pisngi ng langit. Mata ng dalaga'y nananaginip. Mayroong sikretong nasa sa isip. Mamang sorbetero, tayo'y sumayaw. Kalembang mong hawak, muling ikaw ay batang muntik, sa'yo'y naghihintay. Bigyang ligaya, ngayong nag-araw. Mainit na labi, nagbabagang mata. Sunog na pag-ibig, parang awa mo na. Mamang sorbetero, o nasaan ka? Init ng buhay, pawiin mo na. Mamang sorbetero, tayo'y sumayaw. Kalembang mong hawak, muling ikaw ay batang muntik, sa'yo'y naghihintay. Bigyang ligaya, ngayong nag-araw. La 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 la. La 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 la. Mamang sorbetero, tayo'y sumayaw. Kalembang mong hawak, muling ikaw ay batang muntik, sa'yo'y naghihintay. Bigyang ligaya, ngayong nag-araw. La 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 la. La 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 la
Sandali.
Thank you very much.
Wow!
Napakaganda. Napakaganda mga
Wow! What a nice start of the social presentation. The choreographer is no other than their pastor, Pastor Jody Malamadan. Come on!
Wow, very beautiful, Burnaby Church. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, Kuya Jo. Kuya Jo, raffle.
Okay, get ready with your tickets. Now it's time for
Bravo.
someone from Praiser Body Church will win. Come on, Praiser Body people. Ticket ending 305. 305. Praiser Body 305. Okay. Pastor, Celia Cristal. Oh, by the way, let me tell you guys, okay? We sold tickets to non-Adventists, to our to co-workers, so they have a chance to win also. Even though they are not here tonight, they could win if their ticket has been drawn. Yeah, so let's go. Now from Inspire Church. That's the reason why we put names. I suggest to all the sellers to put their names in here so that the seller could identify the person. That's why. Okay, somebody from Inspire will win. Here, the daughter here. Ticket number 460. 460. Yung price, ang tagal ng price.
Yun. Kuitawin.
Ay.
Kuitawin.
Ah,
Ito ga.
next yan. Okay. Okay, we will ask our judge here, our lady judge, to please pick a number, a ticket, yes. And you could announce the last
428.
428 ending from Suri Church. Come on, 428. 428. Ticket mo. Yeah, 428. Ador. Nakailan na? Dalawa na ba? Tatlo? One more. From Vancouver Church. Get ready.
Maliit lang.
From Vancouver Church. Get ready, Vancouverites. Ticket ending 266. 266. May pangalan dito, Sherry Balbastro. We still have a lot of tickets to sell. So if you want to... Come on, we still have lots of tickets for a chance to win Lacoste Ladies Watch and Lacoste Men's Watch. Our next presentation, ladies and gentlemen, is from Suri Filipino Church. Are you ready for this? Let me tell you guys that this group was the defending champion last year. So let's see if they could still hold the title, okay? Let's give it up for them. Come on, let's give it a big hand.
Hello?
This is better.
Okay.
The Singkil dance originates from the Maranao people of Lake Lanao in Mindanao, Philippines, and is a royal dance depicting from their epic, the Darangen. It's known for its graceful movements and intricate footwork as dancers navigate between clapping bamboo poles. The dance symbolizes overcoming obstacles, with the princess's movements reflecting resilience and the prince's actions representing a helping hand. Hark, as you watch the graceful dance of the prince and princess. Be enchanted by this story as it pulls you in. Please welcome the Suri Filipino Seventh-day Adventist Church and their presentation of the Darangen.
Yan bumbara.
Ayusin agad, baka madidakat. The night is getting better. Oh my God. Okay, here. Let's go back to the rappos. Victoria Group, come on. Get ready, Victoria Group. Victoria. Pastor, please. Victoria, get ready.
466.
466. Next is from our visitors. Would you please? Last 3 digits. From Kelowna Group, get ready here.
985.
985 from Kelowna. 985. Walang pangalan. Okay, go ahead. Pastor, ito daw. And now we're back to Agape Group. Pastor, Agape Group. From Agape Group. Thank you. Marami pang tickets na ibebenta, okay? $5.
478.
478 from Agape Group. 478. Walang pangalan. 478 from Okay. Sino ang next presentation? Sino ang next presentation? Oh, ano lang next? Ha? Next presentation. Agape. Okay, the next performer is from Agape Group. Agape Group, ready? Okay. Okay, now everyone has the right to remain silent again. Let's.
All right. We're going to be presenting a Muslim dance. Sorry, our props didn't make it. It's caught on traffic. So, tonight I will be the rich and high-profile king in Mindanao can get wives as many as he can. Tonight, I'm just gonna bring my 7 wives to have a bath with me in the river. All right? Please welcome my wives on stage. Where are they? Do you know who? Every year I get married. Come on up. Where are they? I think they're shy. All right, emote. Come on. Wives, where are my wives? Come on stage. Here you go. I got 7 of them. Okay, so it's inspired by Singkil, without the bamboos. And again, we're just gonna go to the river to have a bath. Can we have a little lights on? Dim the lights. Can we have some lights down?
Oh, kala nyo ha?
Yeah.
Baby man at magaling.
That's what we call modern katutubo dance.
Yeah.
We're really in the millennial now.
Oh, kahit ngayon lang nag-prepare, at least may prepare. Oh, ha? Saan kayo? Thank you very much, Agape Inspire, for that very energetic. Palakpakan, mga kapatid, palakpakan. Okay, raffle ulit. Bigas? Tawin, bigas?
Hindi pa. Yung
Hindi pa. Okay.
Yan.
Are? Okay.
Abundant Life, Burnaby, and Fraser Valley. Let the judges do their...
Okay, Victoria, please prepare, ha? Victoria, please prepare. You're
You know,
next.
we paid a lot for these judges, so you have to work, okay? Abundant Life. From Abundant Life,
Abundant Life. Ano ba to?
191.
191 from Abundant Life, come on.
Eiffel Multi-Purpose Glasses.
Ah, may pangalan.
Ha? 290 ml, mga kapatid.
Ay, labo ako, labo. Gamo-gamo? Sino ang gamo-gamo?
Sino? Ang apelyido, gamo-gamo? What? Ha? Oh, they're here. Okay.
Okay, gamo-gamo.
Ma'am, kayo po ang kumuha. Palakpakan, mga kapatid, palakpakan.
From Burnaby Church.
Thank you. Sandali po, Tawin. Sandali. Lost and found telephone. Whose phone is this? Okay, Ella. Kay Ella to. Palakpakan, mga kapatid.
336.
336. From Burnaby Church.
Pastor Chody.
Pastor Chody.
Oh, si Pastor Chody.
Pastor Chody.
Wow.
Pastor Chody.
Ito. Wow. Wow. Maswerte talaga si Pastor.
From Fraser Valley. Okay.
Ito. Ito na, kuya.
Isa pa.
Sunod.
Okay, go. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, Fraser Valley.
Ano ka, Ray? Skateboard. Skateboard.
Ray Mendoza.
Ray Mendoza. Pwedeng tumamang wala.
Ray Mendoza.
Wala rin eh.
Pwede.
Wala rin eh.
Sino
Pero
pwede
pwedeng
mag-claim
tumama.
kay Ray Mendoza?
Pwedeng tumama.
Oh, kay Ray Mendoza. Kilala natin yan, kilala.
Okay.
Oh, may skateboard na si Dudoy.
Marami pang tickets for $5, okay? Hindi pa nabobola ang bigas at saka ang Lacoste was. Ano na?
Sunod na sila.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Okay, Victoria Church, are you ready? Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Palakpakan from Victoria, Filipino!
Good evening, brothers and sisters. What you will be seeing tonight from Victoria is our entry to the Victoria Day Parade this year. Watched by over 5,000 people on the streets of Victoria and broadcasted on TV and internet worldwide. The Filipino entry was awarded as the best walking group. This year was our second time to participate, but there's a story to this. Our lead choreographer, when they were new in Victoria, watched the Victoria Day Parade and was wondering how could people know about the Seventh-day Adventists. And so he said, maybe we could join the Victoria Day Parade. So last year, we joined under the banner of the Victoria Filipino Canadian Association, but our banner were not allowed to be shown, even a small poster. And so this year, we submitted our own entry to the Victoria Day Parade. And as one of the entries, we were given 1,000 words to describe our organization. And that was our chance to talk about the Seventh-day Adventist worldwide and the good work it does around the world. So we were able to talk about, not us, but the broadcasters on TV. They were able to read our description about ADRA and the educational system of British Columbia under the Seventh-day Adventist Church. So now, we prepared this because we would like to win this cultural contest. We would like to present it to you on how you can use your talent and become an outreach project for your church. So this year when we did this, while they were parading, there's a group of us who were distributing flyers with QR code about Pentecost 2025. So hopefully people would know about this and research about our church. So without much ado, we'd like to present to you, if you have not seen the TV presentation of our parade group, this is just a modified version of what was shown on the Victoria Day Parade. Happy watching.
Oh, picture taking, picture taking. Kasama si Pastor. Pastor Benji. Okay. Palakpakan mga kapatid, palakpakan. Victoria, thank you very much. Ang ganda-ganda. Thank you. Okay. Burnaby Church, please prepare. North Shore. North Shore, please prepare. But before, let's proceed with more raffles. Kuya Tawin, raffle daw, raffle.
Pasama-sama din ah. Ano yung isama din eh? Isama din lahat din eh.
Ay, isasama na. Saan isasama? Saan iataktak?
Dinis, lucky winner. Okay, we're going. Ano? May performance kayo? Sandali ah. Okay, before we proceed to the last presentation, let's ayoko. Mag-perform muna kayo. Perform. Okay, let's give a big round of applause to our last performer. By the way, they are all winners. There are only 5 performers and we prepared 5 gifts of cash. So they're all winners, right? Okay, so
Tawin, halo-halo na. Halo-halo na ito.
mamaya na.
Okay.
Presenting to you the North Shore. North Shore Church.
North Shore. North Shore meaning North Vancouver, West Vancouver communities. Uy, may kabayo. Mga kapatid, may kabayo. Okay. Mukhang alam ko na to ah.
Good evening, everyone. We are representing the North Shore SDA Church, the church plant of Burnaby. Tonight, we will be performing the old form of transportation in the Philippines, and for sure, some of our youngsters haven't experienced how to ride on it. So this time, we will show you how fun and enjoyable it is to ride on a Calesa.
Hello.
Wow.
Sino yung kabayo nyo dyan?
Sinong kabayo?
Si Pastor?
Sinong kabayo? Oh!
Si Kuya Jimmy. Okay, bow.
Ba, Pastor Chody's choreography again.
Si Pastor, join daw si Pastor. All right, let's give the time to our judges to compute their scores. And while they do, we'll have the grand prizes for our raffle. All right, ilan na lang ba yung natitira? Ilan na lang natitira?
Hang on. I put together all the tickets in one bag
Yeah.
because the prices now will going to be better than the previous ones, obviously. But before we do that, I would like to say thank you to the sponsors, okay? Is Susan Olit here?
Auntie Susan Olit!
Yeah.
Palakpakan!
Susan Olit, who could not say no to me when I asked for money. Ate Mila Talento.
Auntie Mila! Where's Auntie Mila?
Okay, Junjun Pedroso, our caterer.
Junjun Pedroso! Thank you
Junjun.
very much for our sponsors.
And our president gave a lot also.
Kuya Joey De Leon! Palakpakan mga kapatid. Thank you, Kuya Joey.
Baka may nalimutan pa ako. Sino?
Si Ate Angie.
Ay, hindi. Sa cultural yun.
Si Ate
Anyway,
Angie.
thank you
nagbigay.
to Ate Angie for the...
Palakpakan kay Ate Angie.
Upo ka lang, hindi kita pagsasalitain. I just want to acknowledge your donation. Also, thank you also to the President. Thank you to the Treasurer for the $400.
Hoy, tawin, $400.
Okay. Okay. I will give you the last chance to buy a ticket for $5 because these are better prices now. $25 gift cards, yung bigas, yung barbecue grill.
Okay,
yung
bigas
iglo,
muna,
yung
bigas.
tapos. $5. Who wants to buy? For a chance to buy to win prizes. Wala na? Okay.
Wala na.
Okay. Oh.
All right, bigas, bigas.
Ay, may bibili pa.
Oh, may bibili pa daw. Murang-mura ho. Saan kayo makakita ng isang sakong bigas sa halagang ₱5? 5 piso lang yan. Oh, ha? Isang ano lang yan sa duty? Isang patak ng relo?
Ay, haluin.
Haluin, kalugin. Halo.
Meron pa.
Halo. Nakakagutom yun, ah. Habol pa. Oh, may iglo. May barbecue grill. Ano naman isa? Travel bag.
Sandali.
Travel bag. Gift cards. We have gift cards. $25 gift cards. Pakilagay daw.
Tatlo.
Pakilagay daw din ito. Okay, balasa. Oh, ayun pa. Meron pa isa.
Sino pa?
Tawin.
Ilan?
20 daw, 20. Palakpakan sa mga latecomers. Parang nasa gym lang, oh. Oh, ha? 25 pounds.
Wala na.
Habol pa, going once, going twice. Wala na. Okay, sold. Bunot na. Sino bubunot? Pastor, kayo na.
Salamat sa mga last minute buyers. Nakabenta kami ng $360 in total. Yeah, yung mga ngayon lang bumiling gabi, $360.
Fundraising yan mga kapatid ha, fundraising ng FAA-BBC. So, mapupunta ho yan sa FAA-BBC Fund. Alright.
Okay, get ready with your tickets now. Ay, haluin ang katakot-takot, Pastor. Haluin ang
Pastor.
katakot-takot. Okay, bigas.
Okay, bigas.
Rooster Brand, come on. Sino
ito,
ba? Sino ba? Ikaw na bubunot, Pastor?
O, si Pastor na.
Sige. Last 3 digits.
Okay.
Basa. Aba. Ay, natutuwa ako na may tumama siya kasi ang dami niya donation. Ticket number 167. Ticket ends with 167. Wala. Basahin ko na. Yung ating caterer, Pedroso.
Junjun! Sino kukuha kay Junjun?
Ay, nag-prepare ng branch sa
Sino kukuha kay Junjun? Okay. May isang sakong bigas si Junjun.
Isa pang sakong bigas from Superstore, 1999.
Mura yan. Ano ba to? Dinorado? San Doming. Ano ba to?
Okay. Sariwang bigas. Kabibili lang bago ako pumarito.
Okay, gawa to. Galing to sa Baguio City, ha?
Okay. Ticket ending in 282. Ay, walang pangalan. Meron. Alba Ursua.
Oy, Ate Alba.
Ang nagbenta nito ay taga Fraser Valley. Okay, ibigay sa mga Fraser Valley.
Sinong kukuha kay
Nanay
Ate Alba?
Alba Ursua.
Sinong kukuha kay Ate Alba? Ate Betty, dito muna. Dito
Alba.
muna. Kay Ate Alba yan. Okay.
Pastor, yung susunod doon yung mga gift cards. $25 gift card.
$25 gift card. Oh, speaker. Pang may-ari yan.
Gift cards. Ano ang unahin natin yung gift card?
Starbucks muna.
Starbucks. $25 gift card.
Starbucks.
From No Frills.
Basa. Alam mo salamin.
Okay, ticket ends in 332. Ala? 332. Melchor ang pangalan. Melchor ang pangalan.
Ayun na! Kuya Melchor, from Burnaby Church.
From Burnaby
Palakpakan from Burnaby Church.
Ito.
Another $25 gift card from Amazon.
Boston Pizza.
Boston Pizza muna tayo. Boston Pizza. Ticket ends in 394.
394.
Walang pangalan.
394.
394, come on. 394.
Walang pangalan. Ito yung mga last minute buyers.
Oh, kaya walang pangalan ito, last minute buyer.
Ba, tingnan nyo yung ticket nyo. Tingnan yung
Abay,
ticket.
check ng ticket, sayang.
394.
Wala.
Ay siya.
Ay siya, ibubunot na ulit tayo.
Going once. Going twice. 394. Okay, bunot ulit, bunot.
Okay, bunot ulit. Boston Pizza, $25. Ticket ends in 286.
286. Sino? Ayun, sa likod.
Sino? Heidi ang pangalan, Heidi.
Heidi. Okay, Heidi.
Now everybody knows.
Merong manglilibre sa
Now
Boston
everybody
Pizza.
knows Heidi.
Isang pizza.
It's okay.
Okay, next, Amazon. Amazon gift card, $25.
Okay, ticket that ends in 353.
353. Tama ba?
Ang pangalan ay Grace.
Grace. Okay, Bernabe. Grace Aliben. Okay.
And the final gift card for
Final gift card from Apple. Same, $25 from Apple. Oh, ha?
250.
250. Bernabe ulit? Grabe naman, pinakyaw nyo na.
Ang daming benta nila, mahigit na $600.
Anong pangalan?
Ang pangalan niya ay, ano yun? Marlene?
Hindi.
No.
Marlene.
Marlene Bailey? Marlene Bailey.
Ayun na! Apple gift card. Okay.
Yung barbecue grill. Okay,
Barbecue grill, mga kapatid. Barbecue grill.
Dinonate siya ng ating caterer. Okay. 3-2-0.
3-2-0.
Ang pangalan ay Rose.
Bernabe ulit? May luto, may luto.
Pastor, halo. Pastor, halo.
Ito na. Pinakyaw ng Bernabe. Pinakyaw na ng Bernabe.
Iglo.
Okay, iglo.
Ang susunod natin ay iglo.
Iglo. Okay, iglo.
Ito ang susunod. $89.99 sale sa Costco.
Costco. $89.99 from Costco.
Kung gusto niyo bumili nito, hanggang linggo ang sale. Sa Lunes, hindi na.
Okay. Ano? Meloid. Hindi.
262.
Kayo ulit? Alaman.
Ano pangalan?
Ay, Madangdang.
Tama nga.
Madangdang. Ba, pinakyaw
Pastor, sandali.
Ay, mga kapatid.
Ay.
Yung ticket ng Bernabe may magnet.
No.
Nahuhugot.
Babaguhin natin ang bubunot. Pastor.
Si Pastor, ate, iglo.
Pahiyang tayo. Kay Pastor na kamay, puros Bernabe.
Pareha.
Parehas Bernabe.
Ano?
Next.
Ano ka?
Okay, travel bag.
Ano yung huling na 262? Brother, would you mind to hold this for a second?
262.
May 262 rin siya, oh.
Bakit dalawa ang 262? Hindi. Pero magbabase tayo sa pangalan. Kasi may pangalan nakasulat dito. Ang pangalan is Makadangdang.
Anyway, may pangalan
Okay,
nga pala.
so Makadangdang ang panalo. Okay, Makadangdang ang panalo.
Okay.
Okay, kasi may pangalan mga kapatid ha. Walang daya yan.
Ang susunod ay itong kuwan. Delcy hand carry bag worth on sale at Costco $99.99. I bought mine 3 months ago. It's $119.99. Ngayon ay $99.99. Costco. Delcy, good brand. Okay. Delcy hand carry bag. Come on.
Okay, yeah.
165.
165. May pangalan. Is there any name there?
Magkano sa champion?
Yeah. Pedreso.
Pedreso.
Ang swerte ng caterer. Pedreso
Oh,
again.
bira.
Palagay ko, kumain ka. I invite everybody to go to the brunch tomorrow. I think it's free now for everybody. Tumama
Okay,
sa
last
dalawa eh.
2. Final 2 prizes.
Eto na. Lacoste watch for men. Oh, sino pa bibili ng ticket? Lacoste?
Kuya Tawin.
For men?
Kuya Tawin. Ano na, ito na?
Yan na.
Pambabae muna, palalaki.
Ay, regardless.
ladies.
Ito na lang. Pag ang tumamang nabunot ay lalaki,
Okay.
No. Maybe he wants it for,
That's
she
right,
wants
that's
it for
right.
the wife,
Okay.
for the husband, I mean. So,
Whatever. Ito.
let's go for men per. Kasi mas maganda yung relo ng babae. Yung munang yung
For men
lalaki
muna,
muna.
for men.
Okay. Pastor, could you do it
Lacoste watch.
Lacoste watch.
Ha? Hindi to galing Cartimar, mga kapatid, ha?
Alam ko rin ang presyo niya, siyempre.
Hindi to galing sa Cartimar.
301.
301. Bernabe ulit. Ano pangalan? Si Marlo. Sino? Ba, ang lakas ng Bernabe. Sa susunod, ha? Pag nag-umpisa pa lang magbenta ng ticket, bumili na kayo lagat. Tingnan mo sila, oh, panalo ka agad.
Another
last.
Lacoste watch.
The last. Last prize. Oh, Vancouver naman daw. Pinakyaw ng Bernabe. Magpapalipat na ako ng membership.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Biro lang, sorry Filipino, biro lang.
Are you ready for that? Okay, here's the last 3 digits.
1, 5, 5.
155!
Fraser Valley daw, 155.
Oh! From may tumamaris abundant life. Ohano.
Ohano!
Yay!
Okay.
Ohano.
Wala na, Tawin? Wala na? Ohano, ate. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Woo!
Okay.
Thank you guys for buying. We had a profit of at
ito na.
least
Next.
$1,700.
Ito na, next. TV.
Sandali. Naroon sa sakit. Ano, gusto nyo pa?
Piano. Piano naman, piano.
Gusto nyo pa? Okay. Guys, it will be, tomorrow is my 64th birthday. So magpaparapol ako.
Yun!
For $50 cash. Pastor, bayad. $50 cash.
Ayos sa tao yun.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, takbuhan na.
1, 2, 3.
Ang pangalan?
Do you want me to mention the name? Jesse.
Jesse. Jesse who?
No last name. Just 1, 2, 3.
Okay, Ate Angie daw. Kay Ate Angie.
Jesse Nukasa.
Thank you, Pastor. Yay! Thank you. Okay. $50 nga.
Muntik na!
Isa paraw. May umihirit isa paraw. Hoy, hindi ito pera ng organization ha. This is from my own pocket. Another $50, okay? Basta another $50.
Three, 5, 9. 3, 5,
Halaman.
9.
Halaman.
Three, 5, 9. The Lakers. Oh.
Okay. Ayaw ko na mag-donate. Magpapakain pa ako bukas.
Okay, let's now proceed to the awarding ceremony of our cultural night. We would like to invite all the judges to come up front. All of our judges, please give a round of applause to our judges. Oh, by the way, Pastor Lumakang is selling CDs, right? He has CDs on his with him. Kung sino po ang gustong bumili ng magkano daw? Pastor, how much are the CDs? $20 Canadian, US. Canadian. Okay, 20 Canadian per CD. Kung gusto nyong bumili ng CD ni Pastor Lumakang, meron siyang binibentang CD, okay? So, can I invite all the judges to come up front so we can announce the winners?
By the way, as I've told you, we want to please everyone because everyone put their effort. That's why We have 5 winners today, all the performers. For first prize, $400. Second prize, $300. Third prize, 200. 150 for fourth, and 100 for the last one.
Okay, and we would like to invite all the officers as well, all the officers to come up front. Auntie Susan, Auntie Angie, Gigit, Ate Star, Pastor, all the advisors, all the pastors to come up front para i-congratulate natin yung mga... Okay, malapit na tayong matapos mga kapatid. Alam mo yan. Dapat mamaya na.
What are they doing?
Oh, mamaya na kayo bumili.
Tita, we'll do that later po.
We'll do that later.
because time
Mamaya
is
na kayo
running
bumili.
out. Guys, we'll do this selling later.
Mamaya na kayo bumili.
But we have to announce the winner for our cultural night. We'll do this afterwards, please.
Okay, mamaya na po kayo bumili.
Okay.
Michael, come up front here. Officers.
Okay, this is for the
We will announce the winners.
fifth prize po, Pastor.
Mga kapatid, palakpakan naman sa mga officers.
Pastor, thank you. That's for the third prize.
Okay, we'll announce the fifth place. Fifth place. Sino mag-announce ng fifth place? Who's going to announce the fifth place? $100 for the fifth place. Okay, who's going to announce? Okay, Pastor, sino pong panalo?
Sino nga ba yan?
Yung isa, i-announce niyo po yung points.
Okay, sige.
All right.
Total score.
Fifth place goes to with a garnet total points of 67.25. Agape Church.
Palakpakan! Agape Church! O, kuha ng premyo. Kuha ng premyo.
Membo, come on, Membo.
Kuya Membo, come here. Palakpakan!
Agape Inspired Church. All right. If you want to learn Zumba, yan, instructor.
Maybe we can ask them to take us a photo.
Okay.
Yeah, Kuya, dapat we'll ask them to take a photo. Picture taking.
Uncle Edwin, take a picture with us. Dito ka, Kuya Mem, sa gitna. Oh, my energy! Energy daw, energy! Oh, everybody, come in. Okay, where's the 7 wives? Where's the 7 wives of, mayaman na dato to, Bitin ang 100, hindi kulang. Ay, hindi kasya.
You watch that on 3ABN. It will be featured.
Okay, once again, round of applause for Agape Inspire Ministries. Thank you very much. Okay, 4th place, ma'am.
Okay, for the 4th place, with the points of 81.75% goes to Burnaby. Burnaby Church. Wow, congratulations.
Which one? Is it the Sorbetero or the horse? Burnaby. Because there's a North Shore and there's a Burnaby.
Burnaby! Oh. Kanino? Bob, grab the check, but it doesn't have the name yet. Ang... Thank you, Burnaby. Palakpakan, mga kapatid. Burnaby Church. Okay, Pastor.
Oh, yes. And now presenting to you the third place winners of tonight for a grand prize of $200. They had a total score of 87.75. Let's put our hands together for North Shore.
Pasok na! Pasok North Shore! North Shore! Pasok North Shore!
Where's the kabayo? Come on!
Kabayo!
Nakadami.
Oh, picture, picture, picture! Okay, who's going to announce the first and second place winner? Hindi ako pwede.
Now we've come to the last
These are DVDs.
two winners. Second prize winner.
Okay.
Okay.
Listen,
It was
everybody.
May I call on the two groups?
Everybody,
This
listen,
one
listen for a
from
second.
Victoria and the Suri Filipino.
Okay, everybody.
Victoria, Suri
Wait,
Filipino.
wait, listen, listen. Everybody listen, listen very carefully. Okay, second place with 95%. Everybody come out. Everybody come out. Everybody position yourself. Everybody come out.
It's a battle of the Pamaypay.
Let's say the two left. Okay, so right, let's. Oh.
The first prize winner will
Wait,
get
wait, okay,
$400.
listen.
Second prize, $300.
Okay, listening everybody. So the last two are 95.25 and 97%. And the winner is
Winner na ito. Winner now.
Suri. Suri.
Is still the champion.
They won, but second place is Victoria. 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 Now, aren't these for the winners? Are these for the winners? What are these for?
Dapat sulatan niya ng pangalan. We have to write the name of the check.
You're welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, still the champion. Back-to-back championship.
Original, I want another good one. I mean, I know they are all good ones, but
Papangalanan ng check ng walang pangalan yan.
they are all your
Okay, ma. Hello. Round of applause to our Victoria and Suri. Hello. Okay.
I need this.
Bago po kayo magpilihan ng CD,
Thank you, judges. Thank you.
tapusin muna natin yung program natin.
Oy, let's finish the program na muna.
Let's finish the program, okay? We can buy the CDs later. Let's close the program first.
Oy!
Ay, mamaya na kayo magpicture. Yung church ko pasaway, oh. Mamaya na kayo magpicture. Mag-pray muna tayo. Tapusin muna natin.
Ala? Nag-ingay na.
Siguro sabihin mo, may tatapan ng DVD.
Let's finish our program. Let's finish our program. Wala na akong boses. Yeah. Okay, mamaya na tayo bumili ng CD.
Champion!
Oh, papatayin na namin ang ilaw.
Ala, ayaw nyo magdasal ay. Close
Hoy!
natin na maayos ari ah.
Tapusin muna natin yung program, mga kapatid.
Hoy, mga kapatid, magsitahimik kayo. Tayo muna ay magdasal.
Mga kapatid. Oh, mamaya na kayo dyan magkagulo. Hoy, mga kapatid, ha? Ang oras ay alas 11. Alas 11:30, mga kapatid.
Nung malaman ni Joey. Kaya pala natalo ang Vancouver kung sa aming bumili.
Oh, mamaya na yan, mamaya na. Mag-pray muna tayo, mag-pray. Mag-pray muna tayo, mamaya
Abay,
na tayo bumili.
mag-formal closing naman tayo mga kapatid. Ang
Ate
kukulit
Angie.
nyo ano.
Ate Angie.
Ang kukulit ang mga Pilipinong are.
Brothers and sisters, let's finish the
Oo nga.
program first.
Ate Angie, ikaw nagpakanan nito. Hindi